How to turn on and enable incognito mode on Google Maps. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to your Google Maps. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do to enable the incognito mode, just go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here, and now you will find many options right here. Click on turn on incognito mode right here, as you can see. Click on it like this and it will be enabled, as you can see. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.